Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can remove the edit bill of material access for your team. So suppose I do have a purchase team to whom I don't want to provide access to edit my bill of materials. How I can manage it? For that, you need to go in settings module. On your left hand side, in the very bottom, you will see settings module. You can do same from access management as well. So let us start with settings module. Just go in settings module. Then after you will see there is a user segment and the team segment. You need to click on teams. Do remember that team permission can only be defined as per team. Currently on TranZact, user-wise permission is not available. So you can define it on the team level. Now here is the three dot where you need to go. You will get option of permissions. Please click on this. Now, once you will go in permission, you can search for bill of material from search box, bill of material, as it will come here, or also you can just hover down below and you will see the bill of material related settings. So please check. Here is the setting of view bill of material, edit bill of material. So I just need to unselect this edit bill of material and I need to click on save permission. Once I will save this permission will be applied to the purchase team and they will be able to see the bill of material, but they will not be able to edit the bill of material. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while giving the permission related to bill of material. Have a good day ahead.